Hello and welcome students to this new session, and today without wasting any further time I'm going to just answer your frequently asked questions, because the students who are being associated with me, they have a lot of questions to ask when they are interacting with me for the first time. And students across India have been calling me and trying to contact with me, so it's very essential for me to answer a few questions to satisfy, to make believe, to make understand in a better way, in a faster way, so that I don't have to keep answering the same repeated questions again and again to you. That's why I decided to make this class today. The first question which is asked very often is whether these classes are only designed for the primary DNB candidates. So let me just answer this question that yes, I had designed this entire curriculum based on the pattern of questions that are asked in the DNB theory exam. I'm myself a primary DNB candidate, passed in the first attempt. I'm from Gangaram Hospital, so it was very essential. This was actually the reason why I made these classes, to help my juniors to get through in the first attempt in theory exam at least. I'll be coming up with my practical classes very soon. I've started working on that as well. But basically these classes were designed for the DNB students, not exactly for the primary DNB students, but basically the DNB students. The curriculum has been based on the pattern of questions which were asked in the previous 10 years question papers of the DNB classes. Nevertheless, these classes are also suitable for MD and MS students. So yes, if that's the question, that whether these classes are only designed for DNB students, not particularly, but yes, majorly so, because they are based on the previous 10 years question papers designed for DNB theory exam. The second question that is asked very often is that whether these classes are only for the Delhi students. No, it's not actually, though I have written that down in the Delhi chapter in my introduction, or in the heading of my Facebook page. But no, not at all. Students across India are already associated with me. A lot of students from the south, people from Gujarat, from Assam, even from Kashmir are my students. So no, not at all. They are not at all designed. Why should they be only to one particular zone? Initially, when I was thinking of starting the physical classes, I thought Delhi would be the most appropriate and approachable place for me. I had studied there, I had worked there, so it's easy for me. That's the reason why I gave that heading, but I'm going to remove it very soon. Third question which is asked is whether, most important, what all is included in these. So the design of my classes, I'm going to go very slow over here. First of all these classes, this is also one question asked, whether these classes are online or offline. Obviously, I am a busy consultant. You people are also in your PG, so I do not presume that there'll be any time zone in which I will also be available and you will also be available. Okay, because you have your night duties as well. So I do not expect you to be available at a particular hour. So all these classes, even my lectures, they are all pre-recorded lectures which are available to you offline. You do not have to log in online to meet me, to be there, to Zoom or whatever in my classes. In that case, you will pay, and that thing will also go waste. So no, I have not designed these classes in such a way that any of your class or any of your lecture goes missing or is missed because of your schedule. So as far as that question is concerned, a very, very important question, and I think almost 90% of my students have asked me this question, whether they are online and offline classes, whether any of these classes will be missed because I'll be on duty at that time. So I'm not that big a fool that I'll make those classes in such a way, or I'll design those classes in such a way that you miss them despite you paying for them. So the module has been set in such a way that all my lectures, they are all pre-recorded lectures. You have to download them. You can see them anytime that you're free. The fourth question that is asked very often is that whether this entire material will be available to me till my exams. This will be available to you not only till your exams, but till your result is announced, so that even suppose, heavens forbid, you do not crack through, you do not have to pay me again. You have the material, you can go through it again. Alright. Now the fifth question that is asked is what all I provide. So let me just tell you that I provide, basically the schedule is divided into 15 weeks. 15 weeks, and I give the material every week. That's on Sunday. Any student who has paid me, that's another question, whether these are paid classes or not. So yes, they are paid classes, and after you've paid me, you do not have to give lump sum. That's another question. You do not have to pay me whole at once. I understand completely, and all my classes are very flexible, trying to modulate to your level of ease with which you can do my classes. There are students who have done 2 weeks course in 1 week because their exams was near. There are even students who have taken only 1 week material and they've asked me to pause, do not send the second week material because we'll take time to do the first week, and they've split it into 2 to 3 weeks, and I've been waiting, not sending them any further material. So what I'm trying to say is that I usually, this entire theory part, that is, including all the topics of gynae, all the topics of obstetrics, they have been planned into weekly modules, and in such I have around 15 weeks material. And once you've paid for let's say the entire sum has been divided again into 3 parts. So if you pay me 1/3, you'll get 5 weeks, then the remaining 1/3, the 5 weeks again, and then the remaining 1/3, so another 5 weeks for you will be given. But these weeks will be given according to the weeks. For example, you've paid me today 1/3 part, so for the remaining 5 weeks you do not have to pay anything. I'll keep giving you the weekly material, and then once I'll give you my team will give you the reminder to pay the next remaining you might call it installment, and then again I'll keep giving you for the next 5 weeks. So this is how it goes. Now every week material is actually, the study material includes some 6-7 topics each week, and those 6-7 topics, they have been divided into obstetrics and gynae, giving importance to both obstetrics and gynae topics right from the beginning. And in this weekly schedule is also included the topics of recent advances and Johnstad. So these are the 2 important books which are important for you to read. Certain journal review articles that I keep giving in between with the study material, so that the relevant and important stuff is not missed out. ACOG, RCOG, even ICOG guidelines are included whenever possible. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, guidelines, they are also thrown in between for the relevant topics where they are required to be seen. So you don't have to search all these things on the net. The weekly schedule, like I said, is comprises of maybe 6, 7, or sometimes even 10 topics. As the length is too much, the coverage is too much, the theory topics are too much. So anyways, 6, 7 to 10 topics in each week, divided into obstetrics and gynae. And then most of the topics I have made notes. I have also written down that these notes are directly from Williams, so you do not have to read again Williams. I've encompassed everything possible. I also refer to you that even if you're not satisfied with my notes, well, you can refer to this particular book. That is also there. Each topic, per topic. Some topics I have made notes. Some topics I have given you guidelines. Some topics I have given you lectures. Some topics I have included. That's just read it from this particular reference book. You do not need my notes. You do not need the lecture. The book is sufficient for it. And I've also given you the page number and everything regarding about that book to be read. So this is how it goes. This is the way it goes. Now you have to download an app called Telegram from the net. Usually all my material, my study material, I send through that app. That's about how I carry on with my classes. I think as far as all the questions are concerned, I have covered them all. Whether they are paid classes, well, I have already told you the payment details and what is the payment, that I will only talk to those students who are serious about my classes. If you have any query, you have my number. You can call me anytime. Even if I do not answer you at that particular time, I will give you a call back. I'll give you my voice message. Yes, there are also certain topics which I have elaborated by a voiceover. There's a beautiful diagram and I've tried to explain it to you through a voiceover. So that also is downloadable. You can see it as many times as possible till your exams, even after your exams. But there's only one request to all my students, and up till now they have adhered to that please do not transfer this material to anybody else. It has taken me months and years to fetch the best material possible to you, and you are paying an amount to me, so at least be honest to yourself and to me. Do not share this material with anybody else. It's just a matter of courtesy to me that I've really slogged in and I really would not want this effort to just go in vain. So, and plus there is so much over when you'll subscribe to my classes, you'll be able to see those students who have already subscribed, who've already cracked their exams, know this, they can vouch for this. If you have any doubt, let me tell you that this is a very honest effort from my side. But if you still have a doubt regarding my classes, I have number of few students available. You can call them, you can they'll counsel you, you can talk to them, you can clear your doubts. And once you're serious about joining my classes, let me know. I'll give you all the payment details and everything regarding it. I hope I have solved all your queries. Still, if there is a doubt, you can always reach me.